Hello, this is you, and hey, I got my handy dandy Dremel out because I'm going to test another Dremel bit. Okay, so today we're going to be testing out this 1.5 inch diameter EZ Lock metal cutting wheel, and this is the thin cutting wheel, the EZ409. So before you actually attach these cutting wheels to your Dremel, you first need an EZ Lock or Dremel EZ Lock Mandrel, which is right here, which I've already attached to my Dremel. And in these you can just pull it back, attach the plate, and lock it in, and it's just quick and easy. These discs will not work unless you have one of these mandrels. So go ahead and pick one of these up. So this is the thin cutting wheel. Now these plates are kind of thin, a little bit brittle. You're not going to do really heavy duty work for this. This is more hobbyist kind of level cutting. Now if you need a little bit more heavy duty cutting on your metal, they do make a thicker cutting wheel. The metal EZ456, and if you're interested in seeing a side-to-side comparison, I also have a video testing this one out, and I'll share a link at the end of this video. Okay, so to attach your little wheel to your mandrel here, your little EZ Lock mandrel, you just pull back on this little finger hold right here, exposing these little wings. And that is the same shape on your wheel. And so you just kind of, as like a puzzle, you just kind of fit this in, just like that. And then you're going to rotate it like that, and then just lock it in. And that's all there is to it. Okay, so let's test it out with just a standard nail here. I put it in a little vise, and I'm just going to see how easy this thin cut cuts this nail. And did a pretty good job. Now it's not really designed for wood, but sometimes I like to cut wood with these little cutting bits, and here's a little shim here. So I'm going to just try to cut the thicker part and see how easy it is to cut. Now from past experience, they do cut wood, but you'll notice that you'll see it kind of burning as it cuts. There you go. You did notice it's kind of kicking on you. It kind of grabs onto the wood, so it could actually easily break the bit if you're not careful. And you could see it kind of makes a little burn mark, but it does cut it. Now, so next I'm going to try this little metal L bracket here. Now this is pretty thick metal. I don't think that this is going to do a great job, but just to kind of demonstrate if it, kind of what kind of job it can do, we'll give this a shot. Put it in the vise and see what happens. And there you go. You can see that it does cut. I was very cautious. I didn't really want to go too deep because the plate itself could actually, the wheel could crack and break and fly off. So that's a risk with some of these wheels. But it does actually go through a fairly thick piece of metal. Now again, I wouldn't want to go through all the way across, but maybe if you're just cutting a thin, small piece, it works. And so here you have it, the EZ Lock metal cutting thin cut wheel EZ409. I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.